Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Greetings from Kyoto. Yes, another video from Kyoto. Today we are in Arashiyama, which is a very popular tourist spot because they not only have the mountains, they not only have amazing street food, but they also have the ever popular bamboo grove. And I'm kind of curious to see how crowded it is. Yeah, so this is the street where all the most of the shops are, and there are people though. It's not as empty as I thought, but it's not too bad. Like this particular stall here, I'm definitely gonna get some of this later, but they are famous for their sweet potatoes. And look at this, I'm gonna get this later, don't worry. But check that out, these are their sweet potato sticks, like deep fried sweet potatoes. Okay, so this is the entrance to the famous bamboo forest. I've done a video on this, like a really long video on this place before the pandemic, and this is on my other channel. I will always travel for food. I got that right. By the way, how are you guys today? I hope you guys are doing fine. Thank you so much for joining me on the premiere. If you are watching with me right now, thank you. I always enjoy engaging with you guys, and if you're watching this after the fact, thank you so much for watching. Okay, so this is the entrance to the bamboo grove in Kyoto, and it's a stunning place, guys. First thing you'll notice to the left in front of me is Satoshi. Yes, it's a very rare sight. Now, it's not as empty as I thought it would be. However, it's not crowded either. It's actually quite pleasant. And the air is cool, not hot. So it's actually quite pleasant. And because there are less people, it's a lot quieter this time. Oh, how pleasant this is. Satoshi? So it's not like super empty, but it's also less crowded than the last time.
Less crowded.
Right?
One fifth of last year.
1/5, yes. It's only 1/5 of the number of people that were here the last time. I remember the last time we were here, I had a hard time walking.
That's right.
Yeah, I kept bumping into people.
I didn't watch bamboo. I just saw people.
That's true. It was more like people watching in the bamboo grove. So once again, this is the bamboo grove, and it is a place that most people come to visit at least once. I heard that if you want the place all to yourself, you can come early in the morning or maybe later in the afternoon. One day I think I'd love to come here very early in the morning. I would love to be here alone or with like maybe 2 to 3 people, 2 to 3 other people in the area. So I know most people who watch this channel are fans of Japan and Japanese culture, and I know many of you guys have been here before. But how many of you guys have been here? What are your thoughts on this place? And if you've never been here, is this interesting to you? I really hope so. Now I believe in front of me is a temple and perhaps a shrine. Oh, is this a temple? No, is it? Oh, this is a shrine. Yeah. And I'll ask Satoshi what the name of this shrine is. But it's a pretty popular shrine. Oh, here. That's okay. They have a signboard here. This is the Nonomiya Jinja Shrine. The Nonomiya Jinja Shrine. And here it is. Let's check it out. Usually when we enter our shrine, we sort of have to bow here. We don't have to, but most people bow just to pay their respects. I'm going to talk softly at the shrine because I don't want to be disrespectful. Last time I was here, I really enjoyed walking along this little road here. And this shrine, what's so magical about this very small shrine is the fact that it's surrounded by these bamboo forests. Oh, I also love this right here, this moss garden. It's really beautiful. I don't know why, I really love moss. In Japanese we call it koke, but koke is considered very beautiful here in Japan.
It's world of Zen.
The world of Zen. That's what the man says. Yes,
I love this style.
me too. The colors are, the color of the moss is very vivid, huh? It's very vivid green. I originally wanted to come back to Kyoto during the autumn foliage season. That's a little later though, but you know, we had business to do here, so we decided to come now instead. But maybe I can come back when the autumn leaves have changed color. We'll see. But then I am deciding to go to Hokkaido, so the autumn foliage should be beautiful by the time I get there. So here are some rickshaws, and there are some rickshaw drivers behind me. And here's a railway crossing. Railway crossing. I wonder what train passes by here. I wonder if it's that tourist train or is it a commuter train? Let's see. Oh, it's a commuter train. All right. Let's cross to the other side. Look guys, look at this area. That's the mountains. By the way, getting here is super easy. From Kyoto station, it was just one train ride and it took us about I think 20 minutes. Yeah, I wasn't really paying attention to the time, but it was pretty fast. Oh look, can you see the rickshaw driver in there? So I'm just waiting for Satoshi to get to this side. Hello! Can you guys spot him? さっきね、電車が通ったの。さっき電車が通った。さっきここ電車通った。普通の電車。ここトロッコ走るのここ。
わからない。
わかんない。いや、あっちだっけ？I'm sorry. So we're going the wrong
こ
way.
っちもあるけど。
あ、そうなんだ。
わからない。
あ、本当。
見てもいい。
まあ多分こっちだね。
Many people go over there this way.
Yeah.
But we will go another way.
Okay.
That's much quiet and the bamboo is beautiful.
Okay. All right. So yeah, let's believe the guy. He probably knows more because I'm really terrible with directions. I mean, you know, we're surrounded by bamboo forest, so for me it's kind of hard to know where I am exactly. I don't know about you guys, but I'm terrible with directions. I also can't read maps. Yeah, Satoshi always teases me about that. That's a rickshaw driver. He's doing business. Making a deal with the customers. Usually it's a set price. Oh, is it this way? Do we go this way? Okay, so we go this way. So yeah, usually the rickshaw drivers, they have a set price, so you can't really bargain with them. You could try, but usually, yeah, it's a set price. Oh, you're right, Satoshi. It's a lot quieter on this side. Oh, very nice. Okay, so I think for the next minute, I'm just gonna film the bamboo grove, this street, and let you guys enjoy the ambiance. あ、でもここまだ一番綺麗なとこじゃないよね。Right, I take that back. I will do the ambience walk a little bit more down that way because I just realized this is not the beautiful area. This is just like a pathway to the beautiful area.
And at the backyard of the very famous temple, Tenryuji.
Ah, are we gonna go to Tenryuji today?
No,
No. Well,
we went last year.
we went last year. True. Did I enjoy it?
Yep.
Why don't I remember? I don't remember. We went to a lot of temples the last time.
The autumn leaves is quite beautiful here.
Okay.
Oh, not only autumn leaves, the mountain backside of the yard,
Right.
the garden.
Yeah, I think one of my favorite places was Nanzenji.
Nanzenji.
Nanzenji. I think I remember that one. I remember that being super beautiful.
Beautiful autumn leaves.
Right. And so once again, if you guys are interested in seeing more of the what do you call Kyoto, not food necessarily, but like the temples, the autumn leaves, etc. I have a whole Kyoto playlist on my other channel. I will always travel for food. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. That guy just said, "Excuse me." And in Japanese, "excuse me" is "sumimasen." Yes, "sumimasen." But
Many people say suimasen.
yeah, many people say "suimasen." That's okay too. And when people speak fast, some people just say "sumimasen." So Tenryuji. So this is Tenryuji.
Yep. We enter from here.
We've been here before. Oh,
The autumn
I
season.
remember.
Beautiful garden.
This was the beautiful, beautiful garden. So it looks like this on the inside. We're not going to be going in today. Yeah, but it's such a beautiful garden. You sit here and you gaze upon this pond with a mountain in the background. Yeah, this is a really beautiful temple. Okay, let's continue this walk, guys. Check it out, guys. Okay, this is the start of the really beautiful part of the bamboo grove. This is like one of my favorite areas. So I'm gonna be quiet now and let you guys just enjoy the natural sounds of the bamboo grove. Guys, isn't it? Oh, catching my breath. That was actually uphill and I was trying to hold my breath so I can hold my camera steady. But look how tall these bamboo stalks are. They go way up there. Wow. That sound you hear in the background is the train. Oh, this is beautiful. Man, it's so nice. It's so nice without the crowds. Although it is nice without the crowds, I do have to admit, it's very, very nice. It's a lot more peaceful. However, you know, I do miss seeing the tourists very much. I do miss seeing people from around the world coming here to enjoy this and the rest of Japan. So I really do hope that sometime next year, hopefully early next year, that traveling will restart again. That is my sincere wish. All right, I'm coming to the end of this video. This way, if you want to know what's up here, there's a sign here that says, up there you can find the Okochi Sanso Garden. And this garden was built in 1898. And yeah, it's supposed to be a very beautiful stroll, especially during the autumn season. And there's a villa here that you can visit, and they serve you some green tea. Looks like a nice place to visit, huh? Yeah. All I have to do is walk uphill here, and then if you go down there, there's more bamboo forest. On that side, it looks like there's another garden as well. All right, we'll see where Satoshi is. Where is he? All right, guys, let's go meet up with Satoshi-san, and then we will call this a day. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you feel a bit more relaxed after watching this video. I hope it gave you a sense of peace, kind of calm your nerves. And I think places like this is really, really important, especially if you have anxiety like I do. It's really nice. Hello.
Hello. So peaceful.
It is, isn't it? I was just telling everybody that it's super, super peaceful.
Mind cleansing.
Mind cleansing. With that said, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Thank you to my moderators for always being here for the premieres. I so appreciate it. I am like forever grateful to you guys, and to the rest of you, thank you. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.